If you are watching this, you finished Awaken the Warrior Mindset. That already puts you ahead of most. But let me be direct. Reading about discipline does not build discipline. Understanding structure does not create structure. Without a system, clarity fades. Old habits return. Standards slip. Not because you are weak, because you do not have a daily operating framework. The Warrior Mindset app was built to solve that. It takes the 11 modules from this book and converts them into structured daily execution. Inside the app, you do not get motivation. You get structure. You get daily discipline protocols. You get guided accountability. You get a system that forces intention into action. This is not self-improvement. This is structured training for men who refuse to drift. If this book moved something inside you, do not let it fade into routine. Install the structure. Raise your standards. Register for the Warrior Mindset app now and start operating at the level you know you are capable of.